Sir, I think few people are opting for the cycle test one. 75 is here. 75.
Yes, sir.
Why did not come? Examination not attend. What happened?
Sir, actually, I was playing a tournament, sir. I joined through sports quota.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
actually, I'm attending my classes just today, sir. I was playing my tournament up to yesterday.
what is your number?
75, sir.
75, you are there from the beginning, you know.
Yes, sir. I was there from the beginning, sir, but for the last 5 days, I was in a tournament. I was attending a tournament, sir.
But there is no retest. At least are you in charge, your class in charge of class? That is what faculty advisor.
Sorry, sir.
Are you informed to your faculty advisor, Gunishakan sir, Balaji sir?
No, sir. I have informed to the PD, sir. He told that he will inform to them.
But when we conduct the examination, you know, already 11th they will close actually. How can you get the marks? When you will write, because you can retest people are there, with them we can write as you can take permission and send me later actually. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
the HOD to HOD mass in the sports portal is conduct the external exam like this. Then 87,
Okay.
who is 87? Then 100, 100.
Sir.
What happened, sir? You are not joined actually. I invited from the beginning. You are not there. But what
Yes,
happened
sir.
to examination? What is
Sir,
your problem?
I recently joined sir online classes, sir.
But I invited very first beginning day. You are not joined.
Yes, sir. My
Then what
personal
will
mail.
happen? 10 marks. What you will do? 100. Then 111. What about 87? 87 is there? 87 is there. 111. 111. Are you there? Yes. 111. 100. Then 54016 yeah, now okay. You are attended. Then she said you are present. You will retest it. Then what about 25? That 5401 series 25.
Sir, I had started
What?
the test, but then I had started the test, but then I got disconnected.
Then you can again you can attempt. You know. You should
Sorry,
inform me. You should call me. You know.
sir, there was no one at home. I was alone.
What?
There was no one at home. I was alone. I don't have a phone.
No, I'm not getting what.
There was no one at home. I was alone. I don't have a phone.
No. Phone is there or not with you? You have my number. You
No, I
know. You
don't
are
have a
joined in
phone.
Google. Huh?
I don't have a phone. I just have a laptop.
At least you should listen. Then what you will do? Really bad and see. Internal marks are very, very important, sir. After that also you are not informed me. Still
Sir,
you
I
are
got
alone, huh?
disconnected due to power cut, sir. So I couldn't even mail you. I was going to mail you, but then I was.
Still you are alone. Somebody is there with you.
Sorry? No, my mother is there with me.
Hmm. Then you are losing 10 marks. What can I do? Tell me. Sports quota means they can give the permission, but these people they won't give. 100 also already joined earlier, but he is not attending class. Your last 10 marks actually, people. Okay, at least next time do well. Then 114 is there, 114, 115, 116, 123, 124, 125, 126 is there.
Sir, newcomer, sir, 125.
Yeah, that I know. Is there or not? I am asking. 114 is there. 114. No. 115. 123.
Yes, sir.
124. Yes. What is your number?
123.
Are you joined through SRMIST or on this outside mail? You
Newcomer,
get the mail
sir.
ID, join through SRMIST. Okay, yeah. Then 124. 124. 124 is there or not? 125.
Sir,
Are you joined with SRM mail or outside mail?
SRM mail, sir.
Okay, you are inside classroom. Okay. And then retest. I will ask the permission HOD and everything. HOD I will just tell you. 126. 126.
Sir? Yes, sir.
He joined with outside mail, I think so. You didn't get the SRMS email, sir?
Yes, sir.
Then you can ask your faculty advisor inform, ask them to activate very fastly, okay?
Okay, sir.
Let me join with this. Next, 5401 series 28 is there.
Yes, sir.
Your SRMIST mail is there with you.
Yes, sir.
29.
Yes, sir.
SRMIST mail is there with you, activated.
Yes, sir.
30.
Yes, sir.
30. SRMIST activated. Yes, activated or not?
Activated, sir.
Hello. You can.
Sir,
31.
activated, sir.
Okay, done. 31. 31 is there. 5401 series. Because 2 days before only you joined.
Sir, I did not give the test. Can I know when is the retest?
What?
I did not give the cycle test when I had fever. I have told
What is your number?
28, sir.
That's what I'm asking. Calling you or not replying.
Sorry.
Which 28, sir? 28 actually. When did you join?
I joined last week of September.
Okay, I will see the date when you are enrolled. Maybe you are comes under retest batch, so I will keep you the retest batch. Okay. When did you enroll? 28.
Yes, sir.
Your enroll date is when?
Yes, I have told Murugesan sir also.
Acha. This you got a mail of you, some mail you got it. You only know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got a permission. Your HOD is giving. The retest I will inform you all of you. 140,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
26 and 160 and 28, 29, 30, 31, 75 you will take special permission for sports director HOD and my HOD will get HOD. The remaining people I don't know. But we sir, maximum we cannot support HOD. You because first time you are recently done you are doing. Okay, sir. Last time, for finding maximum minima, what you have done, how you will find out, tell me. How you will find out? The new joining students already classroom videos are there in classroom actually, that you can check actually. Not necessarily separate videos are there, I will send you. Join in your WhatsApp group actually first. See how we will do? Maximum minimum how we will find out?
ആള് എക്സാമില് എന്തോ വരാത്ത ആൾക്കാരെ പറ്റി എന്തോ പറയുന്നത് അവരോട് ഞാൻ മെസ്സേജ് നോക്കാനോ വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല.
Tell me what?
വേറെ ഒന്നുമില്ല.
Tell me sir. Alex, Stephen, tell me what you want.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Mute your mouth. Okay. Then to find maximum minima, what you will do? First you can find f of x by they will give. What you will do? What you will do, sir? F of x by they will give. Maximum minima already started or not? Say yes or no. If people are there or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maximum minima started or not? Sir, tell me, sir, maximum minima started or not? What you will do initially? F of x by your hand means what you will do? Speak out, sir.
Yes, sir, we have started the maximum and minimum.
What?
Yes, sir, we have started the maximum and minimum.
Yes, yes. Then you do f of x by. Then what you will do? Find fx equal to 0. X5 equal to 0. You will get bunch of points x1, y1, x2, y2, so on. Then you can find r3 minus s square. What is r? fxx. T is what? fxy. Yes. Sorry. f by y. R s t. S is fxy. So you can find rt minus s square. If rt minus s square is greater than 0, is some point, the function attains either the maxima or minima. Correct? Rt minus s square less than 0 means what? These neither maxima nor minima. These points are called what? These points are called what? Rt minus s square less than 0 means?
Sir, saddle points.
Very good. Neither maxima nor minima means points are called saddle points. Rt minus s square is equal to 0 means we go for further investigation. Once if Rt minus s square greater than 0, at which points? That points I will take. If R is greater than 0, function attains what? Rt minus s square greater than 0 compulsory. If R is greater than 0 means what you will say? Function attains. Great means what?
Maximum.
Minimum.
Maximum.
Hey, great.
Minimum.
Minimum. What is the minimum means what? That x1, y1 you can put it f. Already we done 2 problems, I think so, small problems. Then rt minus s square is greater than 0, r is less than 0 at this point. So function attains what?
Maximum.
Maximum. So what is the maximum is what? F of x1, y1 will give the maximum. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? All you students join WhatsApp group. Again, I will put in classroom. Suppose if you are not there in classroom, just you can ask your friends, maybe somebody, or you can call me through my mobile 98400. Just you can send your number in WhatsApp. I will send the link actually. WhatsApp group. You know my number 98400 45 44 3. Just you can send the message, sir. I want to join in this mechanical B like this. I will send the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we start one problem. We have done actually x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. We have done one problem. Then similarly, you can see find the maximum or minimum value of the function. So f of x by your hand. So first what you will do, find fx, then equal to 0. Find fy equal to 0. Now come on, write. Now what is fx? What is fx? Dou f by dou x is what? Sorry, people are there or not?
So minus 4x cube plus 4x.
Very good. Fy now finding for extreme points, you can equate fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. Clear? Fx is equal to 0 means 4x into 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus or minus y. Fy is equal to 0 means what? Minus 4y plus 4y cube is equal to 0. Minus 4y if you take 1 minus y square. So either y is equal to 0 or 1 minus y square is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 or y is equal to plus or minus 1. Now how many points you will get out? You can combine, you can with the combination, how many points you will get, tell me? Copy it up to here, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now I got x is equal to 0, 1 minus 1. Y value 0, 1 minus 1. Now combine. One point means always first value will be x value, second value will be the y value. Now combine. How many points you will get? Tell me. Combination.
Sir, 9.
First start with 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Start with 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Start with minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Correct? So points are what? How many points I will get? 9 points I will get. So start with 1, 1, 0. First value will always like x only. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Then with minus 1 means what? Minus 1 0, minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 1. Cut down fast. Now these all points are in my hand actually. So each point I will do, where I will substitute it, I will find RT minus S square. In RT minus S square, each point if I substitute, at what point RT minus S square is greater than 0. So I can say my function attains at these points either maxima or minima. Once if I know maxima or minima, I will go and check R. If R is greater than 0 means minimum, R is less than 0 means maximum. Correct? What is F value? F is equal to what? 2. Now come on, find 4xx, fxx. What is fxx? Fx again you can differentiate it. Sorry, fy this is. Find fxx. What is fxx? What is the value of fxx?
Minus 12x square plus 4.
Okay, 4 minus 12x square. Fyy. Then fxy, first you can do with respect to y, then you can do x. What is fxy? Partial differentiation always you can from left to right. First you can find fy, that fy value you can just x. What is fy here? What is fy here already got in our hand? Minus 4y plus 4y2. That is with respect to x, if you do, what will get answer? Fxy.
0.
0. Very good. Only one point will come, the remaining are thinking I think so. Now, R is my hand, T is my hand, S is my hand. Prepare RT minus S square. Correct, sir? Clear? RT minus S square is what? Minus 16 into 1 minus 3x square, 1 minus 3y square. Right or wrong? Copied or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, if we put actually x is plus or minus 1 or plus or minus y also plus or minus 1. What will happen actually? This is minus you will get, this is minus you will get. 3 minuses. 3 minuses means what will happen? Total value. X and y, if 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1, whatever maybe, if you take that is bunch actually. Double numbers. 1, 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1. That 4 points, if you take and substitute, what will happen? X is plus 1 or minus 1 because our square is always positive. So 1 minus 3 is how much? 1 minus 3.
Minus
-2.
This 1 minus 3, minus 2.
-2.
So minus into minus, this is minus. Value don't see actually. 3 minus in this output is what? Minus. Clear or not? I am not seeing the value. I want to see whether it is negative, positive or is equal to 0. Positive means happily I will go further step. Negative means I will say it's a saddle point. Say at these points function attains neither maximum nor minimum. Correct? So RT minus S square is less than 0 at where? 1 comma 1, x is 1 you can check. 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma minus 1. So out of 9 points, 4 points are went off. Clear or not? So these points are what? So 1 comma 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 1 are what? Saddle points. Saddle points. At these points, functions attains neither maxima nor minima. At these points, function attains neither maxima I think 0 0 also is it. If we 0 0 means also negative only. 0 0 also saddle point. Correct or not? 0 0 also
Yes,
what?
sir.
1 minus only, negative value only. So these all are, so how many points I got? 5 points went off. Now remaining 4 I will discuss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Note down fast. Then, Chandra,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
then remaining points are what? 1 is 0, 1 is 1. Maybe plus or minus doesn't matter because of x square, y square. It won't happen big difference. Okay. Now suppose one fellow is 0, one fellow is 1 means what you will get actually? This is plus, this is minus, minus 2 minuses. 2 minuses is what? 2 minuses, minus into minus is what?
Plus.
Positive.
Plus.
Whatever may be, if x is 0 means what? This become minus. Already minus is there. So minus minus plus. Suppose y becomes 0 means what? This become minus. 1 is 0, 1 is 1. Plus 1 or minus 1, it doesn't matter because x squares are there. minus 1 square also 1 only, plus 1 square also 1 only. It's not big difference. So at these all 4 points, RT minus S square is what, tell me? What will happen RT minus S square?
Less than 0.
Hey, less than.
Positive, sir.
Less than 0. Check again. Positive means how can you say mathematically?
Greater than
Sorry,
0.
sorry.
I need conditioning, no? So, at these points, RT minus S square is what? Greater than 0. Hence, at 0, 1 or 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, minus 1 function, what do you get? Attains either maxima or minima. Already I told you, maximum minimum value is unique, but I may get so many points. At 10 points, I can get the minimum, but value of minimum is unique. In different places, I will be act as a minimum value. In different places, I am acting as a maximum. But value of maximum is unique. Value of minimum is unique. But I will get in so many places minimum value, so many places maximum value. Correct? Clear? Now what I will do, I want to check whether it is maxima or minima. Now I will take, what is my R actually? R is equal to what? 4x minus 1 minus 3x square, correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
I think it's 1 minus 3x square.
correct, 4x minus 3x square, correct?
I think it's only 4, not 4x.
What?
So it's 4 into 1 minus x square.
Yes.
Correct? Clear? Oh. R, okay, 4. Correct, sir, correct. Very good. 1 minus 3x square. Now we see, here only x only presents. If x is equal to 1 means what will happen? 1 or minus 1, 1 minus 3 become what?
Negative, sir. Minus 2.
Negative. So at what points my R is negative, tell me? X is equal to 1. Don't worry about y because there is no y value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So at where am I negative?
1 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0.
Very good. R is less than 0 at where, sir? And RT minus S square is greater than this point and R is less than 0. So my function attains what?
Maxima.
Maximum at these points. Clear or not? Now, suppose 1 0 minus 1 0 story power. If you take x is equal to 0 means what? Y whatever may be. 0 1 and 0 minus 1. What will happen here? 4 into 1 minus 3x square. If you put x is equal to 0 means what will happen? 4 into 1 minus 3x square.
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0. So I don't worry about it. So 1 comma 0 or minus, 0 comma 1 or 0 comma minus 1 is R is what? Greater than 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
R is greater than 0 means what? My function attains what?
Minimum.
Minimum.
Minimum. Great means minimum, less means maximum. But RT minus S square is greater than 0. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
R is greater than 0, where 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. Now you can write. Clear up to clear? Any problem? So all varieties of points we have done here this problem.
Okay.
function set heading.
R less than 0 at 1 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0, not 0.
Oh, thank you. So, hence function attains sector. Thank you, sir. Minus 1 comma 0. Now, what is the maximum value? Go on substituting function. What is my function? What is f of x by?
2 into x square minus y square minus x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4.
Correct. Huh? Now, f of 1 0 or minus 1 0, what will become? 2 minus 1. So, maximum value is what? 1. At where? 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma, the same value you get. If you want, you can check. Clear?
Yes.
Then minimum R2 minus S square is greater than 0 and R is greater than 0 where? 0 1 and 0 minus 1. Clear?
Yes.
Then what is the minimum value? F of xy, f of what? 0 1. F of 0 1 what I will get? Minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1. If you want 0 minus 1 substitute, same value you get. If you want, you can check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, I think there are 3 points. That is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0.
What? I'm not getting it.
I think there are 3 points for the minima. It's 0,
Not 2 points, 3 points very good. 0, 1 and 0 minus 1 only.
So what about the 0, 0?
0, comma 0 is less than 0. Minus 16 into 1 minus 3x square, 1 minus 3y square. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, minus 16 into 1 into 1. Already I mentioned there, 0, 0 also saddle point.
Yes, sir, yes.
0, 0 also saddle point. 5 points run away from here.
Okay, sir.
Now, 10. Minimum value is minus 1 at where? 0, comma 1 and 0 minus 1. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way of doing. Now give at least 571 as starting.
Sir,
71.
Rahul wants attendance.
What?
Sir, Rahul wants attendance.
Not getting.
Sir, Rahul wants attendance.
Yes, sir.
Everyone I will do, sir.
He's sharing in the group.
71.
No, sir. Here
Present, sir.
That's fine.
Wait, give an attendance and give and go. What can I do? 72. Those who are given attendance, you can leave.
Sir, 72 present, sir.
73.
Present, sir. 71 present, sir.
Okay, leave. 74.
74 present, sir.
Tell and go. 75.
75% sir.
76. 76. 77. Absent. 78.
78% sir.
Okay. 79.
Sir, 77%.
77. 79. Absent. 80.
Present, sir.
81. 82. 80 absent. 81.
82 present, sir.
82 can leave. 83.
83 present, sir.
84.
84, sir.
85.
Present sir.
86. Absent. 87. Absent. 88. Absent. Huh?
88%, sir.
What are you doing? 89. Okay. 89.
Present, sir.
90.
90 present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94,
Present, sir.
95,
95 present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97, absent. 98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
100,
Present, sir.
101,
Present, sir.
102,
Present, sir.
102,
Present, sir.
103,
Present, sir.
104, absent. 105,
Present, sir.
106,
Present, sir.
107,
Present,
108,
Present, sir.
107 absent. 108, 109,
108 present, sir.
Present, sir.
110, 110,
Present, sir.
111,
Present, sir.
112,
Present, sir.
113, 14, 114 absent. 115,
115 present, sir.
Sir, 113 present.
130.
Present.
What are you doing when I'm calling? 114 absent, 115 present, 116.
Present, sir.
Then binary number is there after 116. Then 5401 series 1. Oh, sorry. 120.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Then what are you doing? I'm calling 124,
Present, sir.
123 present, sir.
125,
Present. 125 present, sir. 125 present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
113 present. 113 present. And 5401 series 1,
Present, sir.
2, 2,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 7,
The 7 has left the college, sir.
7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 21 not there. 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24, 24, 25,
24 present, sir. 24 present, sir.
24 present. Then 25, 25, only a car graphs in. 26,
26 present, sir.
27, not there I think so. 27, 28,
Present, sir.
30, 29.
Sir, 29.
Okay.
Present, sir. 29
30,
present.
Okay, 28 present. 30, 30,
30 present,
31,
sir. 30 present, sir.
31, 31, absence list are 76, 79, 80, 86, 87, 97, 104,
Sir, 79 present.
79 present.
present, sir.
76, 80, 86, 87, 97, 104, 107, 114, then 5401 series 25 and 31. Clear? Now you can
Sir,
go to
107
yes.
107
Yes.
is also present, sir. 107.
What are you doing when I'm calling?
Sir, I'm not
Okay,
sure. He
okay,
actually
okay.
said.
Leave it. Okay. 87, 97, 104, 114, 25, 31. Okay, sir.